Hey, what is up guys, I'm Dom, and in today's video we're checking out the Razer Kiyo webcam. The Razer Kiyo webcam is a webcam I've been thinking of getting for a very long time. I finally got it. It was practically half price, which I was extremely impressed with. Yeah, obviously the main selling point of this camera is the massive ring light built into it. Obviously it's plug and play. It says that it's multi-step, so you've got adjustable lighting levels. It says it's compatible with 720p 60 fps HD video streaming, and obviously it's plug and play. This is just the basic original, I believe. But yeah, one of the main issues with where I film from and where my setup is lighting, and this webcam is going to be perfect just for that. So let's start with the unboxing. Okay, so let's have a closer look at the box. So obviously you have that major light. It states that it's got multi-step ring light. It's 720p. Which is actually quite a shame that it's not 1080p, but then again it is at 60 fps. So obviously you got your full setup of their items just here that focus in. So you have a mic, all sorts of other things as well that are available in this sort of range. So let's have a look at the inside of the box. As usual, I'm going to now struggle and tape off the box. Now, one of the main reasons why I actually bought this webcam, I decided to go for this webcam, is simply because of the ring light. The solution I've been using for the time being is just way not adequate. But hopefully this would be adequate. So I managed to get that off, and let's have a look inside of the box. So inside of the box you treat it traditionally with the note from Razer, as well as a booklet. We'll have a look at that, I guess. And traditionally you get the Razer stickers as well, and a quick start guide. It looks like you can actually put it onto a tripod as well, which is pretty handy. Okay, going out to the side. This is the webcam, and I have to say it's absolutely massive compared to what I was thinking the size would be like. And that sort of twist, I imagine that's some form of zoom. No webcam shield, but that's okay. That's where your tripod would go into. And it actually looks pretty impressive. Definitely does look decent. You got a mic there. It's a lot larger than the current one I used, Logitech C, or this Logitech here. It's definitely different. Now with this webcam, I'm actually going to use it with both my Mac Mini and my gaming rig. Okay, so for this test I'm now talking into the mic on the Razer Kiyo webcam. I have no idea what the mic on its own sounds like. Hopefully it doesn't sound too bad. Yeah, the webcam itself obviously has a light. I'm going to sort of make it brighter. You just literally twist it. Obviously you don't want it too bright like it is now. You want it set just right. Okay, so I'm now talking to my professional mic. Hopefully it sounds better. I don't want it to be the other way around, but I do want the webcam to at least be reasonable. Yeah, so I've been using this camera for over a week now, and I have to say I'm incredibly impressed in it. It's 720p, but for some reason it's coming up as 1080p on my computer, which is even better. And yeah, as you saw, the picture quality is very decent, which for the price I can't complain. And as always, the link will be in the description of this video. So would I recommend this to anyone? Yes, I would. Definitely I would recommend this, especially if you're a gamer, if you're a streamer, if you work a lot online, if you're in a lot of meetings, if you're a student. It's a perfect device to have with you. It's lightweight, the build quality is actually really good, and you can mount it on a tripod, which is even better. So yeah, in terms of quality, it's 10 out of 10. In terms of picture quality, I would definitely say it's an 8 out of 10. And in terms of the overall mic quality, I'm not too keen on built-in webcam mics. Considering the fact that this is a webcam, I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. If we were to consider it as a normal mic, I would give it a 5 out of 10, which is very generous, I think. So yeah, other than that, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more great videos. Till next time.